Hello everyone, today is a special day because we are officially announcing that we are working on the new version of the Explorer. We heard your feedback loud and clear and we're going to take them into consideration while designing the new one. Some of those feedback were the folding mechanism. You wanted something more secure, something like the new Pro that I showed in the V4 reaction video that you can go check out there. Another feedback we heard a lot is about the folding handlebar. Some of you love it and some of you hate it. It's so convenient to be able to fold the handlebar and store it, but we heard a lot more feedback about the handlebar becoming loose or the thread becoming all damaged. So for the new one, I think we're gonna go for a solid handlebar, something that look like the Pro, maybe a bit in a smaller format, but for the handlebar, we are looking for a solid one. We had a lot of issues with the kickstand. The thread of the kickstand was directly tapped into the body, so when you were stripping the screws, well, there was pretty much nothing you can do. So now we're going to be using an integrated kickstand that looks like a motorcycle style. The last main one was about the suspension. The Explorer is pretty sleek, but the suspension is not ideal because it's horizontal, and I strongly think that a good suspension is always vertical. So we're going to be switching it to hydraulic suspension to offer the maximum comfort. So now for the things that you liked and you definitely want to see again on the Explorer, the first one is the LED light. All of you love it. Right now we have blue light under the body and one on the stem. We're going to be trying to reuse this, but maybe with a more recent technology like we have on the Pro. The smooth LEDs. I know that you love your LEDs, so we're going to keep it and make it better. The other one is the batteries. I'm going to reuse the 52 volt and try to play with the capacity of the battery. Maybe something a bit smaller but easier to change. We're going to see what we can do on that aspect. Lastly, the motors. The 1000-watt motors seems to be more than enough for a lot of you. So I'm going to keep the 1000-watt, but maybe split it into dual 500. The top speed should be pretty much the same, and you're going to have much more torque. On top of that, all the small things that you saw in our recent model, we're going to be adding them. Those include region brake, app compatibility, GPS tracking, turning signal on the handlebar and the body, wireless charger for your phone, self-healing tires, drum brakes, COB lights, and a lot more to come. So please let us know in the comment if there's any other features that you would like to see, if there's things about the old Explorer that you didn't like, or things about it that you like that you want to see again. We're going to keep it in mind while designing the new one. Again, your feedback is the thing we value the most, so please comment down below.